Karnataka state is contributing more than 4,30,000 taxes to state, to Union of India. So, 4,30,000 crores. 4,30,000 crores. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ತೆರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ₹1 ಅಲ್ಲ ₹100 ತೆರಿಗೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 12 ರಿಂದ 13 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. Is it not an injustice? Cost to Karnataka? That is why we are irritated.
Karnataka is the second biggest, largest state which is giving highest revenue to this country. We are asking for our rights. We are asking for our share. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman was telling that central government doesn't have any powers. It all depends upon the Finance Commission. If they are, then why there should be a government? I agree. It is an autonomous body. But what mistake has been done? It has to be, what discrimination has been done, it has been set right. It is duty of the government of India. I request, we all request, we are the voice of Karnataka. We are the representative of Karnataka. We have come here to show that we all are fighting for the cause of the people of Karnataka.